Welcome to Bella's Vistas. Please like and subscribe. Don't forget to click the notification bell. We got a new GoPro and we decided to take a visit to Cambridge and try and see what the mill looks like. We photographed this mill many times. We thought we'd take a drive down. Here we're on Old Mill Road. The mill is off to the left. I've photographed it in the fall, in the summer, in the winter, many different seasons. It's been beautiful so many times. Some days it's kind of plain, and then some days it's just phenomenal. Love going there. This is Churchill Park in Cambridge. We thought we'd check out this mill too. This is kind of a recreated mill. It's not the real thing, but I decided to take a shot here and see if we could come up with an HDR that would be interesting. So I exposed 3 different frames. Our GoPro's got stabilization built in, but I think we're going to have to go a little bit more than this. We're going to need to get some kind of a gyro to keep it level, because it's just not, when you're walking, you know, you get a wobble to the video and it's kind of annoying, I think. I'm more about still photographs anyway. Now on an HDR like this, I get to pick my angle carefully, study it up, shoot it, and then work on the photograph afterwards. Here we're just walking along the riverbank again. It's a beautiful day out. It's nice to be outside and go out and make some photographs anyway, even if we don't come up with a prize winner. Along the water here, this is the old stoneworks in Cambridge. It's kind of beautiful, especially when the sun comes through the doorway here. I guess it's not a doorway, it's a window. When the sun comes through that window, it's pretty interesting. Some movie companies come here from all around the world to shoot video here, and it's pretty interesting. The old architecture combined with the water. Such a beautiful day today. The sunset was phenomenal. Really enjoyed it. We've had so much rain and dampness and fogginess that when the sun comes out like this, it's just beautiful to get out and make some exposures. Just walking along the road here, having a look at the water. When the sun comes on the buildings, look at that, and the amazing patterns in the bricks on this building. I don't know what's the deal with that. It's pretty interesting. The church spire, the old windows and everything, it could be 100 years ago, maybe older, I guess. There was a fella down here looking for blue herons. I had a great walk. It was pretty fun being outside. Look at the water, the sky. So many churches too. It's unbelievable, really. One of the churches here was turned into some kind of a theater for listening to music. Sun's going down now. The old bridge and the building and the church really looks interesting to me anyway. I can't get enough of these old cities. Like walking around, making photographs. Just had a wonderful day. Thanks for visiting Bella's Vistas. Please like and subscribe. When you subscribe, click the little notification bell so you'll get advised of our future videos. Thanks for visiting.